This is the IIT JEE 124th class. That is the IIT JEE 124th class, and the maths, this is 77th out of 125 class. Mathematics is 77th video, and in particular integration 24. Therefore 24 videos we have done on integration. Mathematics 77 videos has already released. Videos means how we have uploaded, and totally 124 classes. Even NEET also we have covered in the same number. And it is a program of career guidance and placement cell for economically and academically weak section of the society. Right? There now see it is cutting across the states throughout India. Different students are asking, especially from Bombay. Yesterday, a few students there was Bombay as well as in Maharashtra, especially they were asking, sir, we want to know the derivation of a square minus x square dx by parts, by integration by parts. It's very difficult. How to ask? I have to teach the integration by parts and this one. And again, there are three set of problems also they were asking. X square minus a square minus or plus. How to do the by parts? Directly they were asking the core. And when I was questioning the fundamental of integration also, they don't know. But anyway, while doing this, we are diverting against this, the deviating from that. Therefore, what I decided to do this, for student request, I do that, and then I'll continue the IIT JEE class. Okay, for main and advanced. See, first you have to know the integration parts. See, what is the differential coefficient of sin x, cos x, a differential coefficient of cos x minus sin x. You know very well, right? Okay. The next, integration of sin ax dx. What do you write? Minus cos ax by coefficient of x is what? A. Integration of cos x dx is equal to plus sin ax by coefficient of a. You know this. And basic integration and differentiation you know very well. What is a differential coefficient of x cube 3x square, you know this. Again, but integration of x cube dx, x to the power of 4 by 4. You know how to distinguish between differentiation and integration. Now, when I ask what is integration by parts, don't want the derivation, you remember this formula. U dv. Derivation I am not interested in to do it. U dv. U dv, this is integral sign, this is differential sign. I ask them, just you don't write these two, integral and differential. You write uv, right? Put one this sign, put an integral sign, and interchange. That is v du. They used to remember first function, differential of second function, and again what? First function. This is integral of second function. What is that? This is integral of second function is what v. This first function and second function, integral of. Like that they used to remember. Don't want. Blindly remember like this. uv. You cancel these two. You write uv, put minus sign, and interchange. So example, they will give a problem like this. The first sum. Integral of x sin 3x dx. How to do by integration by parts? See, one thing, first you take it. This is one function, this is another function. Now x is the increasing function. This is repeating function. Why it is increasing function? Integral of x dx is what? X square by 2. Again, this answer, if I integrate, what will happen? 2 comes out, x cube by 3. Again, if I integrate, what I get? X4, it keep increasing, is it not? Whereas, if you take this, integral of sine is what? Integral of sine, cos you are getting, right? Minus cos. Again, if I integrate of cos, again sine. If integrate sine, cos. This is called repeating function. I write this is increasing function, this is a repeating function. See, everybody they find their own method. It's convenient. See, as long as you are able to solve the problem, that is enough. Don't confine to one particular, this method is superior, other method is inferior, nothing like that. Any method. Right? Here, what I do is, I'll close this. Okay? That is equal to, first I write x. I'll write x. Then I'll put d. I'll put x, that is increasing function. I'll put d, then I'll close this. What you see here? Integral of sine 3x. Integral of sine ax is what? Minus cos ax by a, isn't it? Here integral of sine 3x is what? Minus cos 3x by 3. Can you follow? Minus cos. Now, how does it look like? Integral of u dv. Integral of u dv. What is the method? Don't write this. Don't write this. You write these two together. X and minus cos 3x by 3. I have done this. Okay, I have done this. Next you have to write minus sign like this. Then put an integral sign. Then interchange this. Interchange this. That is what? Minus cos 3x by 3. Interchange dx. Can you follow? Now what is the next step? That equal to minus x cos 3x by 3. See, don't cancel this. This is theta. Minus to minus plus. You take 1 by 3 outside. Integral of cos 3x dx. Can you follow? Now minus x cos 3x by 3 plus 1 by 3. Integral of cos is what? Plus sin ax by a. Sin ax by, 3x by 3. Therefore, what is the answer? Final answer? Minus x cos 3x by 3 plus 1 by 9 sin 3x. 1 by 3 is the common factor. What I write? 1 by 3 sin 3x minus 3x cos 3x. See, in the examination, if they give like this, 4 choice will be there. You have to mark the correct choice. A, B, C, D. This is a very A level, ordinary level. Now, this is the first sum. Now, how to do the second sum? Just I will introduce this. Another second sum. Integral of x square cos 2x dx. This is sum. How to do this? This is an increasing function, you know. Integration of x square is at x cube by 3. Again x cube, keep increasing. This is increasing function. This is a repeating function. So what is the method you have to do? You write the increasing function first like this. Put one d. Then what? Close this. If you close this, what will get? Cos 2x, no? What is that? Integral of cos 2x. What is integral of cos 2x? Sin 2x by 2. Now, how does it look like? This is integral of u dv. Integral of u dv equal to, you don't write these two. You write uv minus integral of interchange v du. Right? Therefore, what I write here? I don't write these two. X square sin 2x plus 2 minus integral of interchange this sin 2x by 2 into differential of x square. See, what is the differential of x square? 2x dx, because d is there, no? 2x dx. And this 2 get cancelled, is it not? Therefore, I'll write here sin 2x by 2, 2x dx. Here only I am writing this. Some students separately they'll write again, equal and all. You simplify here itself. Then what you'll write? This I am going to write x square sine 2x by 2 minus integral of x sine 2x dx. Now once again, what is this? This is increasing function, this is a repeating function. What you have to do? This is ditto minus integral of, you write the increasing function here, see this minus, you write it, okay. I'll put one d, close this x. If you close this x, what do you see? Integral of sine 2x. Integral of sine 2x is what? Minus cos 2x by 2. Then again use the same formula, the above formula. What is the above formula? See, I'll write integral of u dv equal to u, write, don't write all this to u into v minus integral of interchange. Interchange, what do you get? See, u v minus integral of v du, correct? V du. Therefore, I am going to write this. See, this is ditto and this minus, put a square bracket, this into this, don't write this integral, x into cos 2x by 2 minus interchange, this and this is interchange, put an integral, interchange, minus cos 2x by 2 and dx. Now what do you get? Minus ditto and this minus square bracket minus x cos 2x by 2 minus to minus plus half, you get it. This is what integral of cos 2x dx. And then what you write? Ditto this minus square minus x cos 2x by 2 plus half. Integral of cos 2x is what? Sin 2x by 2. It's a very laborious process. Slowly you have to do it, each and everything. But now you write down this. This is what? X square sin 2x by 2. Then this minus is there. Minus minus plus x cos 2x by 2. This minus again. Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 sine 2x. Or you can take half everywhere, do that. This will also plus c, you are right, put plus c. See, one thing, you here in this sum, you know how to do, you know the methodology, that's all, right? The methodology. With this, I will tell you how to do this sum, which one, that integration by parts, how to do this. Or sorry, integration of a square minus x square dx. Third sum. Now this you need a lot of things. I'll start, and once you start, it has to go continuously, right? Let us see where are the places I'm going to stuck up. See, here previously we did this sum. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Therefore, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. This type of sums we have done. This method, this is the first method, right? But now I am going to do the second method. What I do is what? First I will write integral. I am writing this as the first function. You write a square minus x square. Put d. Okay. Close this. If I close this, what I get? Say if you close this particular point. Integration of dx. Integration of dx is what? X. Then you know what is the formula? Integration of u dv. U dv. ये कुछ मेल्लिगा माटाडंडा. Integration of u dv is equal to integral, both I cancel, is it not? Therefore uv minus integral of interchange v du. You understood how? See, now what I do is I am not writing these two, a square minus x square into x u v minus integral of interchange x and d root a square minus x square. Can you follow? See, now you need all the background. See, differential coefficient of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. You know this. Again, differential coefficient of root box, chain rule, is equal to 1 by 2 root box into differential coefficient of box. Chain rule, no? Boxing. That only I am going to do. See, here I will write again differential coefficient of, a square minus x square. How to do this? A is a constant, is it not? Differential coefficient of constant is 0. Then again differential coefficient of x square. Therefore 0 minus x square is what? 2x. You know this. If you know these two, you can do this here. See, here this part I will work it out here. Differential is what? See, d is there outside. Therefore this is 1 by square root of 1 by 2 root x, no? 2 root box into differential coefficient of differential of that box. Understood? If I write d, don't write dx. Just to differentiate. You have to be very, very careful. Again, what? Differential is 1 by, see, differential of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Differential of root box is what? 1 by 2 root box into differential. Differential of root box is equal to 1 by 2 root box into differential coefficient box. In the box, what it contains? A square minus x square. Here also a square minus x square. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 root a square minus x square. Differential coefficient of a square, what it did? 0. Minus differential coefficient of minus x square is 2x. See, the problem with the student is they don't write this bracket. Because of that, it becomes, see, a into b becomes a minus b. A minus, this is a, this is b, a minus b. This is into actually. Therefore, what you got to do is, I'll write it properly, multiplication. Therefore, minus 2x by 2 root a square minus x square. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore, finally what you get? This part. Here, since d is there, d is there, you have to write dx. You have to be very careful again. Again, they don't write this dx. All these things, see, everything you have to mentally calculate. Right? Which mental is doing? You can't say, don't tell like that. Mental manipulation. You have to mentally calculate all this. Right? All these things you should run in your mind. Once I'm going to do all these things in one step. It's called one step solution. Here what simultaneously I'm doing it here. X root a square minus x square. You are doing an adjustment. Here integral x differential. See, all these things I'm going to do in one. This is 1 by 2 root a square minus x square into differential coefficient of this what? 0 minus 2x and still d is there, dx. All these things I explained this. In one shot I did it. Why I did all these things? Because of this. This you should have done it if you practiced. Then this two get cancelled. You have to bracketing is very, very important. X into x, x square. Therefore, this is x into square root of a square minus. You need not write it. Ditto you can write. Right? Integral of x into x, x square. Here minus is there. Minus into minus what happened? Plus. Again you have to be careful here. X into x, x square dx by root a square minus x square. Do you remember this time? This sum you have done already. In the last which video? This is the, I think, integration 21. In that video we have done this. Do you remember? X to the power of n dx by root a square minus x square, n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. We have done all the three type. Here 2 even. Whenever you get even, what you have to write? There are two methods. This one method you can do what? One method you can add and subtract. Okay? That is what? X square. What is that? X square plus a square minus a square. You can add it now. Divided by a square minus x square. Correct? Now what? See where it has started here. See, this is I. I'll write it. This is I. Correct? This is the first equation. I. What is I? I is equal to integration of a square minus dx. See here what I do is x root a square minus x square plus integral of, I am adding and subtracting. Here minus x square, you know. See, you do one thing. Put minus and minus. This is called manipulation. How you manipulate is what. I think you should have retained this like this. Why now here minus is there? That is the reason I am putting it. Here I am adding what? Plus a square minus a square. Right? Or minus a square. Therefore, what I do is, you just carefully observe here. X root a square minus x square minus integral of, here I will write a square minus x square, here minus a square. See, plus a square and minus a square. I am adding and subtracting. Is it clear? You understood what I did? Adding and subtracting. And the next step, this is ditto. See, this is I. Therefore, this I everywhere I am going to put it. I carries I equal to minus integral of, what is that? A square minus x square minus a square, right? See, I am rewriting in the next page for your, because lot of things are congested in one place is a problem. Look. Therefore, I equal to, what is this? X root a square minus x square minus integral of a square minus x square divided by, I am splitting the LCM, a square minus x square minus a square by square root of a square minus x square. Can you follow this? And this sum already we have done. Look, I am going to put a bracket also like this. See, p by root p. P can be written as root p into root p divided by root p. Get cancelled, is it not? Similarly, a square minus x square. This can be written as what? Divided by root a square minus x square. This can be written as a square minus x square can be written as root a square minus x square, the whole square. So that both get cancelled, right? Okay? Therefore, this particular part, ditto, this minus integral of, this is root a square minus x square, the whole square divided by a square minus x square. Okay? Now what happens? This one get cancelled, isn't it? Therefore, I equal to x root a square minus x square. This minus, look, I am getting multiplying this integral of, this get cancelled, a square minus x square, multiply this dx, this integral coming here, minus integral of a square dx by a square minus x square. Now, what you have assumed it here, The first page, first page. This is same as I, isn't it? This is same as I. Can you follow? Therefore, this is from 1. Now, I equal to x into square root of a square minus x square. Then what? Minus I minus a, you take it outside, a square, integral of dx by square root of a square minus x square. Now you bring this side. Therefore, I plus I is equal to x root a square minus x square minus a square. Now this is another formula. Do you remember integral of dx by a square minus x square? This is same as sine inverse x by a. This we did in the 21st, what is it, 24th, third class, 21st class, class 21. There, this is same. This is. Therefore, what I did? Sine inverse x by a. Now, I plus I 2i. 2i is equal to x by square root of a square minus x square minus a square sine inverse x by a. Then what is I? I is equal to multiply divided by 2 through x by 2 square root of a square minus x square minus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. See, this is the same formula. And what is the coefficient of x square? Here there is a mistake I have done. Some. See here what I did. What is the mistake here? Tell. Here minus into minus plus, is it not? Here plus. See, this only will happen in the exam. Here what mistake I have done? Tell. When I remove this bracket, see here I did a mistake here. Therefore this is plus. Therefore this becomes plus. This becomes plus. Therefore the formula is this. Why I made it now? See, your coefficient of a square is what? Plus. That's this plus means this also plus. If it is minus, x square minus a square, you will get this one. Therefore, integral, therefore you remember this integral of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square. What is the coefficient here? Plus 1 now? Plus 1, that is plus. Therefore, if it is minus, this minus, you will get it. A square by 2 sine inverse x by 2. The next problem, suppose they give like this. X square minus a square dx is equal to what you write? X by 2 is same. You write the same thing. X square minus a square. What is the sign here? That sign you have to put it. Here, a square by 2, that is same. What is this? Next, integral of square root of a square plus x square dx or x square plus a square, one of the same. What is it? Again same, x by 2 square root of a square plus x square. What is the coefficient here? Here x square minus a square. Suppose x square minus a square minus x square plus a square. Here what? Plus, no. Plus. Coefficient of a square plus. Then what? A square by 2. Here what you have to write. This we are going to do in the next class. Okay. Therefore, carefully go through this and 2-3 times you work it out. Actually, they will ask you for 5 marks in the final exam. This what? 5 mark question. And these sums and all 2 marks question. 2 mark. Sine. It's called integration by parts you have done. The still more 8-9 class you will understand one idea how to do the integration. Right? And you please go through the chemistry class as well as this physics classes, all that, and propagate to as many students as possible. We have already started the regular classes. What is like that? Those some students, though college has not started, and many of the students, they are coming and admitting in our college For those students, we don't want to keep them idle. Already to make them study, we have started the in physics. A few lessons we have uploaded. One is the uh, mechanics, units and dimension, the chapter that we started in mathematics, also trigonometry and algebra, simultaneous topic, and chemistry also done, biology, that plant kingdom, animal kingdom, everything the scientists are doing, even the commerce, right? Therefore, what we do is uh, you go through these problems several times. Those who are preparing for IIT or NEET, don't waste any of the time. And whatever you study, just to propagate to most of the students, let them learn. Have a network, proper network, and you can come and see now due to the corona epidemic, students are not allowed to come to the college. But most of the teachers are there. They solving the problems in the college itself. They will be uploading. Therefore, apart from uploading from the college, we are coming the home. There also we are doing it. Today is what's the time now? About 9:30. Now we are doing it because all the teachers, all the staff or the management, they are concerned about this students, right? Not only the student is the common factor, teacher is also a common factor. You prepare seriously, become a great doctors and engineers, and improve our nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.